Get a chiseled jawline for men in 10 ways. Transform your look with these proven techniques. Dreaming of a defined, chiseled jawline that exudes confidence and strength? This guide is your ultimate resource for achieving that sharp, masculine look. Follow these expert tips and exercises to sculpt your jawline and enhance your facial aesthetics. 1. Jawline exercises. Discover targeted exercises that strengthen the jaw muscles and reduce facial fat. Simple routines, such as chin lifts, jaw clenching, and neck curls, can make a significant difference. Regularly performing these exercises can tone your jaw muscles and contribute to a more defined appearance. 2. Diet and hydration. Learn the importance of a balanced diet and staying hydrated. Consuming foods rich in vitamins and minerals supports overall health and reduces body fat, which can enhance your jawline's definition. Drinking plenty of water helps keep your skin hydrated and reduces bloating, making your face look leaner and more sculpted. 3. Facial hairstyling. Use your beard to your advantage. Strategic trimming and grooming can create the illusion of a more sculpted jawline. Experiment with different beard styles to find one that accentuates your jaw. A well-groomed beard can add structure to your face and make your jawline appear sharper. 4. Posture improvement. Good posture isn't just about looking confident. It can also improve the appearance of your jawline. Slouching can cause your face to look rounder and less defined. See how correcting your posture by keeping your shoulders back and your head held high can make your face look sharper and more chiseled. 5. Chewing gum. It's more than just fresh breath. Chewing gum regularly can tone your jaw muscles, contributing to a more defined look. The repetitive motion of chewing works the muscles around your jaw and cheeks, helping to strengthen and tone them over time. 6. Skincare routine. Healthy skin highlights your facial features. Implement a skincare routine that tightens and smooths the skin around your jaw. Regularly exfoliate, moisturize, and use products containing ingredients like retinol and hyaluronic acid to keep your skin firm and youthful. 7. Reducing bloating. Tips on how to reduce facial bloating for a more defined look. Simple lifestyle changes, such as reducing sodium intake, avoiding processed foods, and incorporating diuretic foods like cucumber and watermelon into your diet can help reduce water retention and puffiness. 8. Weight management. Maintaining a healthy weight through regular exercise and a balanced diet helps reduce excess facial fat, making your jawline more pronounced. Incorporate both cardio and strength training into your fitness routine for optimal results. 9. Massage and facial tools. Use facial massage techniques and tools like jade rollers or gua sha stones to stimulate blood circulation and reduce puffiness around your jawline. Regular facial massages can help sculpt and define your jawline by reducing fluid buildup and promoting lymphatic drainage. 10. Consistency is key. Remember, achieving a chiseled jawline takes time and dedication. Consistently following these tips and making them part of your daily routine will yield the best results. Be patient and persistent in your efforts. Ready to transform your appearance and boost your confidence? Follow these steps and start your journey to a chiseled jawline today.